Adjusting and fitting your RealWear HMT device. The RealWear HMT-1 and HMT-1Z1 offer compatibility for wear in multiple scenarios. You can wear your RealWear device directly on your head, mount it to a hard hat, or fit it to a bump cap or compatible ball cap. Your RealWear device comes standard with an adjustable overhead strap. For standard configuration, adjust the overhead strap to fit your head comfortably. The strap should rest across the top front portion of your head. Ensure that the device rests above your ears and parallel to the ground. To connect your RealWear device to a hard hat, first ensure that you have the proper mounting clips for your hard hat type. Remove the overhead strap and rear head pad from your RealWear device. Next, attach the clips to your RealWear device where the strap was, and insert the clips into the hard hat slots and snap in place. To connect a tri-band strap for use with or without a bump cap, first remove the overhead strap and rear head pad. Align the tri-band strap as seen here. Connect one clip to the front of the device, then connect the other. Extend the long part of the strap to the rear of the device and hook around the rear frame, snapping it together. Place the unit over your bump cap and connect the front hooks to the corners of the hat brim. To connect to a RealWear compatible ball cap, remove the overhead strap and rear head pad. Insert the connector band into the inside of the ball cap, if not already in place. Connect the device to the clips and snap in place. Now that we have our device mounted and on our head, let's make some adjustments for optimal use. The boom arm of the device has a shoulder, elbow, and wrist joint that allow for precise adjustment. Pull the elbow joint back toward the rear of the device to bring the display pod within 1 to 2 inches of your eye. Place the display pod below your eye and tilt the display up slightly so that you retain your peripheral vision. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to power on. The RealWear W logo will appear on screen when the device is powering on. Once the device is on, make fine adjustments until you can see all 4 corners of the screen clearly. Regardless of the mounting option used, adjust the boom arm and display this way for optimal viewing.